Hello and welcome back to the workbench. I've got a little stand to put together today to see if I like working with stands on the TRX-4 and the SCX24. The Furatech should fit as well, and who knows what else it will fit. And I also have some other parts purchased for this that will make it a little bit more interesting, so stay tuned for that. That'll be coming out in a video later on. So let's get started putting this stand together. Alright, what do we have in the bag? We have some foamy bits. We have some other bits here, some screws. We have instructions. Wow, that's a miracle, isn't it? And we have some of those and one of these. Very light. I don't know if I like light or not. We're going to find out if I like it or not, aren't we? Alright, so there's all of the great parts. That looks like either a 2.5 or a 3. It's a 2.5 millimeter. That is not. That is probably that's a 2. Alright, so the grub screw is a 2 mil, and these two screws are 2.5 mil. Alright, it says get all your stuff together, screw it all up, do all that stuff, make that, do that, and away we go. Alright, let's give it a shot. So, this is the top part, this is the bottom part. This, I'm going to have to look at the instructions again. The bottom part that goes in like so, and there's a grub screw right there to keep it from turning if you want to keep it from turning. Aha, so that's how it works. There's also on this, there is a chamfer in here as well as in here. So that's going to inform us which way this goes. So let's get it all screwed up first, and then we will go from there. I'm going to screw it up so that the pivot's on the bottom instead of the top. And Loctite would probably be a good idea for this, but I'm not going to worry about that until after I have used it for a little bit and it becomes loose. I don't know why they didn't just have us use these smaller pieces here, the little inside-y pieces, for the feet. Seems it would have been saving a little bit of foam. But alas, they did not. There we go. It is all assembled and it rotates. Now it can be one of the cool YouTube kids that does the spinny thing on their channel. Don't know if I want to be that person, but I can now if I want to be. Let's see how it holds up. Let's try the TRX-4. Yeah, it holds it. It doesn't hold it okay. It holds it all right, not perfect. One of the things they talked about on it, or demonstrated on it, was the ability to hold it sideways, which it does indeed do that. So that is nifty. We'll zoom out a little bit. Yeah. How about upside down? And we'll do upside down as well. So not too shabby. Here it is with the SCX24. That one is on there. It's a little bit tight, but that's okay. Yeah, it does function. It does work. So that's good. I can't do, I don't think with the SCX you would not be able to do a wheel spin with it. You know, turn the battery on and then let it go, unless you went this way with it. All sideways, then it would work. But it's not quite as stable. Maybe removing, like cutting this out of the middle would allow you to do that. If you wanted to do that. Put the 4M back on there and see if it will let me do a wheel spin. Yeah, same challenge with the, well, is it? No, I can do a wheel spin with it. Just fine, that's good. FX118 from Puretech. It fits on there nicely. You can do the wheel spin with that. So yeah, look at that. Not bad. I think I like it for the ability to try the motor out with it to see how the wheel spin works. I think that's a good use case for this kind of a thing. Yeah. MN82. Yeah, that fits on there, and so move around. Yeah, that works okay. All right, here's the MN128 12th scale. It does fit on there. It's a little wobbly with this one, but it does allow me to do the wheel spin on that if necessary, but it is a little wobbly. It's not really designed for this large of a crawler. So there you go. Here is the little, what the heck is this? A Teiray model holder spinner thing. So yeah, if you're interested in one of those, it's not bad. It was inexpensive. And I have some ideas on how I can even make this better for working on TRX-4M and the SCX and the FX118. I have some ideas on how to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and try that out, make sure it works before I create the video this time. But yeah, if you're interested in one of these, there's a link in the description down below to get your own one of these things. Not bad. Better than I thought.